If you are running TikTok ads and not using Spark ads, well, you need to start using them right away. What's going on, guys? My name is Neil from Links Digital, and in this video, I'll be breaking down exactly what Spark ads are, why you need to start using them right away, and then I'll be going onto my computer and showing you how to set up Spark ad campaigns. All right, so let's get started with what Spark ads are. Essentially, they are the organic version of the in-feed ads that you see on your For You page. Now, the only difference between Spark ads and in-feed ads are that Spark ads are organically uploaded onto the TikTok ad platform. Now, once you run Spark ads videos as ads, you will also be able to add a call to action, and the ad will actually function just like any other in-feed ad. However, some of the big differences between Spark ads and in-feed ads that we've seen is in the performance. Spark ads tend to convert a lot better than your regular in-feed ads. And the reason for this is because of social proof. Because you are promoting organic content, you can actually piggyback off of the social proof with the form of engagements on your videos that you are getting organically and double it up with paid promotion. Now, we all know how far social proof can go when it comes to actually driving conversion. So this is a very powerful method for you to get some very cheap social proof on your ads. Now, one of the big reasons we here at Links Digital are really hyped about Spark ads is because of the TikTok algorithm on the organic side. The fact that you are able to upload a bunch of ads organically and see which one does well, because the TikTok algorithm sends out all of these organic videos to at least a few hundred people. So what you are able to do is cheaply test out ad creative at scale. As an advertiser, this is awesome because you can test out your creatives even before running them as an ad. So you can start to notice the ads that go viral organically. And what this basically means is the ads that go viral organically will have a higher likelihood of being better converting ads than the ones that didn't. So this is a very cheap way for you to test out your ads even before running your ads. Now, one of the other advantages of using Spark ads is the fact that you can use other people's content. Organically on TikTok, you are allowed to re-upload and repurpose other people's content, either in the form of a stitch or a duet, or even in certain cases, actually just re-upload other people's content without getting penalized for a copyright strike. So this is a really powerful thing. If you are somebody that's struggling to come up with creative, you can actually just take inspiration from what's on TikTok, launch it organically, and then be able to run ads from those organic videos. So that's a very powerful thing that you can start doing right now. Alrighty, now that we are in the TikTok ads dashboard, we can create a brand new Spark ads campaign from scratch. And
hey guys, before we continue with the video, I quickly do want to take a second to talk about today's video sponsor, which is me. More specifically, the TikTok ads masterclass that I put together. Now, a lot of you already know this, but TikTok ads are the hottest thing in advertising right now, and rightfully so. I would kind of compare them to, say, Facebook ads in 2015, 2016. They're that good. So I put together this masterclass, which is designed to bring anyone up to speed and set them up for success with TikTok ads. And right now you can take advantage of our special introductory launch pricing and get the masterclass at a massive discount. If you are interested, check the link in the description below. And with that, let's jump back into the video.
For the most part, this is going to be like setting up any other campaign. So we're gonna hit a brand new create button, and we're just going to start over. Let's go in with conversions, and this is going to be Spark ads test. And then no campaign budget optimization in our case, and let's just quickly move on to the ad group settings. For the most part, this is going to be the exact same as setting up any other ad campaign, so you do want to be following all of the traditional SOPs and best practices. But for our case right here, we are just on a test ad account, so we will just zoom right through this. Now, one important thing is when it comes to placements, sometimes your Spark ads don't deliver when they are on some of the other network types, so make sure you are limited to TikTok. Now, when it comes to the user comments and video downloads, I'm going to leave this up to your discretion. If you are somebody that's getting a lot of great positive social proof on the organic side, but not so much on the paid ad side, this is something you might want to toggle with. Or if you want to just like lock in a lot of the user comments, this is again a great place to do that. And if you want to allow people to download your video, you can here. Next up, we are not going to be doing automated creative optimization. Again, this is because we already have the creative with the Spark ad. Now, next up, let's move on to the targeting. And again, we really aren't changing too much when it comes to a Spark campaign as opposed to a regular in-feed. Same thing with device, you can leave it how you do for some of the other campaigns, and same thing with budget. We're just going to leave this as is. All right, so the big changes are going to be on the ad level, ad creative level. So in the identity space, this is where we're going to be connecting our organic TikTok account to our ad account. So if you haven't already done that, go ahead and log into your TikTok where you are going to be using the ad from. Now, once you have your ad account linked up, you're going to scroll down into your ad creative. Now, here is where you're going to actually select the specific video that we want to promote, and I'm just going to hit confirm, and boom, here is our video. Now, once I have my post loaded, it is back to being a standard in-feed ad campaign. So you can go ahead and put in your URL and then select your call to action. For us, it's going to be learn more. Beautiful. Now, one of the key things I want you to note is that you will not be able to change the text inside the ad manager here. In order for you to do that, you have to hop into the organic side, change the caption on the post itself, and that's how you'll be able to change the text in there. And that's pretty much it, guys. Once you have this set up, you can go ahead and run this as a campaign like you would any other campaign. And with that, guys, I hope you learned how to start using Spark ads in your TikTok strategy, and I hope you start using them to test out different things, start using that social proof. And with that, guys, I will see you in the next video.